Assalamu alaikum student. Today our topic is that is the frequency of a sound wave. Sound wave have a very large range of frequency from very low to extremely high. So here we write sound waves have a wide range of frequency from very low to extremely high. First one we discussed that the audible range that the human can hear those frequency sound wave, that is the audible range that the human can hear, that is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. If we discuss about it, examples, in example we write drum beat and birds chirping. Second one we discuss the infrasonic waves. What are the infrasonic waves? Sound wave with frequency less than the 20 hertz, that is the infrasonic waves. If we discuss it examples, in this example we write the earthquake waves, ocean waves. Second one we use the elephant and whales use infrasonic wave to communicate. Third third wave, that is the ultrasound wave. Ultrasound waves, sound wave with frequency higher than 20 kilohertz. In this example we use the bat use ultrasonic sound for locating their food sources. That is all about the frequency of the sound wave, that are the audible range, infrasonic wave and ultrasound waves. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the ultrasonic waves. Ultrasonic waves are sound waves with frequency higher than the 20 kilohertz. Human can not hear these frequencies. If we discuss about it, properties of ultrasonic waves. Properties of ultrasonic wave. First we discuss the high frequency, above 20 kilohertz. Second we discuss about it short wavelength. Ultrasonic waves have shorter wavelength compared to audible sound. That shorter wavelength allow them to interact with small object and surface. Third property of ultrasonic wave is high directionality. They can be focused into narrow beams, making them useful for precise applications like imaging and detection. Now we discuss about the application of ultrasonic wave. The application of ultrasonic wave, first we discuss the medical imaging. In medical imaging, use in ultrasonic, ultrasound scanner to create image of internal organs and tissue. It works by sending ultrasonic wave into the body which reflect off tissues and create an image. Second property, we use the in industrial application. In industrial application, we use in non-destructive testing. Ultrasonic waves are used to detect cracks and flaws in materials. Second application is we use distance measurement sensors. Distance measurement sensor used in sonar, that is the underwater, and radar system for measure the distance to object by sending ultrasonic waves. That is all about the application of the ultrasonic waves. Now we discuss the how ultrasonic waves are produced. Ultrasonic waves are typically generated use devices called piezoelectric transducer. This device, which convert electrical energy into mechanical vibrations that produce sound waves at ultrasonic frequency. We can generate the ultrasonic waves by another device, that is the Kern's tube method. This method is an acoustic technique used to measure the speed of sound in gases and study the behavior of sound waves. Cones tube method use the principle of standing wave formation. That is all about the how ultrasonic waves are produced.